Make sure you watch all this video from the beginning to the very end. You will hear the important informations or updates Julius Malema disclosed in this video. You will be excited with the informations Julius Malema drops in this video. Let's watch.
Fighters, we want to make sure that police work in South Africa, and police must work like Mkhwanazi. We don't want police who work as if their role is to distribute roses. It's not a job of a policeman to distribute roses. These criminals who commit crimes, violent crimes, and they are armed, police must meet them fire by fire. They must not give them chance. Once you shoot at an innocent person, you must know you are next, because the law of South Africa does not allow anyone to kill any other person for whatever reason. So we need to take power back into the hands of the police. There is too much crime here in Gauteng. I don't understand why the commissioner of police in Gauteng is not working the same way as the commissioner of KZN. Why is he not working like the commissioner of Western Cape? Because we've got crime, and crime here in Gauteng, in Johannesburg, need police who are going to use maximum force when they are confronted by those criminals who are heavily armed. So we need to make a call to the police in Gauteng. Please defend the lives of ordinary people. Ape rena ba bangwe re tswa di villageng. Ha re fita mo re magala batho ba nna ka ra mabota makaka re he o tai ba chaba ditsotsi, and le tsotsi tse le tse dingwe ke maphodisa ke ditsotsi. Di drugs di tsamaisiwa ka dikoloi tsa maphodisa. Ya nkwisha botlhoko ko re ba re di drugs di tsamaisiwa le ka ambulance. A ke re ba tseba gore ha e emiše mo road block gane tshwere di drugs. Mokete wa dikatse o tlo fela EFF e tsena pushong. Ha o sana ambulance e tlo tsamaisa di drugs, ha o sana maphodisa a tlo tsamaisa di drugs, ha o sana maphodisa a tlo jang tshotso, and nothing happens to them. I want to tell you, comrades, I am very impressed. Lema Podisa mo Johannesburg, JMPD. What's about JMPD? Lelo rabadi mere kwa ke mara bona re ba bona shem. A ru chiga ka mo ke JMPD. A re ke chiga minjani puti. A re ka mo bona ma JMPD ya vereka. Ana rinyaga maphodisa o tlo tswana le JMPD ba bereke ba be visible ba kreulwe in each and every corner so that we can defeat crime. Fighters, let us continue to fight. They must not pay for water and electricity. Once they say you are a SASSA beneficiary, automatically you must be disqualified, because SASSA beneficiaries are poor people. They must just use that criteria and give our Gogos free water and free electricity. No Gogo must go to the municipality to register that he wants free water and electricity. No, they must go to SASSA. The list is at SASSA. Then they will have the list. Then they will know who's not supposed to pay for water and electricity. Comrades, we must make sure we are ready to govern. We need the unity of black people, the unity of Africans, because the world is coming against us. When you celebrate the land, you must do so knowing very well that the children of Palestine are losing their land as we speak. Palestinians are being killed as we speak. the ceasefire is not being respected by Donald Trump and Netanyahu. The reason why we support Palestine, it is because Sophia Town was like Palestine at some point. We know forced removal, we know land disposition, and therefore the struggle of Palestine, it's our struggle. We must make sure that we spread the word all over and support the children of Palestine, because we know the pain of losing land. Fighters, we asked you to go and build branches. We asked you to go and constitute sub-regional leadership. Majority of our branches have gone through the process successfully, and we are very happy that majority of the sub-regions are going to be launched. We will not tolerate any form of misbehavior. I was sitting in the office the other day, and someone sent me a video of a fighter who was blocking Commissar Naledi to enter her branch. And this fighter says to Commissar Naledi, you don't belong here. You are not wanted here. But that is Naledi's branch. But even if it was not Naledi's branch, Naledi is a commissar. He's a national leader that can enter anywhere in South Africa. I asked your leadership in Gauteng the question as to whether they suspended that person. They disappeared. So I hope by the time I come out of this stage, you shall show me the letter of suspending ill discipline which can never be tolerated in our organization. Comrades, all of this can only be attained if we have an organization. Without an organization, black people are doomed. The poor are doomed. When you destroy the EFF, you are destroying the future and the hope of the hopeless. You must defend the EFF with everything, because this is the weapon in the hands of the poor masses of South Africa. For once, stop thinking about your selfish leadership interest and think for our people. Your time will come. Lebaka ditulo ka ba re le a khwa usasa le a lwala gane maybe a re tseng iketleng le sale ba banyane nakwa le na yeta le skata la tsama mo le phupurua le disruptor di branch tja EFF le nyaka go bolla sekgowa karani yo le tlo le koba la tsama le apa ka sekgowa mo let no entanglement. Ra to edimela le nalta le bereka di radio station plus o ka re ba hira kwa moletsi radio station le ta ona more. What is going to keep you disciplined here, what is going to keep you a member here, is discipline. There is nothing that can build this organization except discipline. And we must all be disciplined and don't be part of any disruption. We are going to sub-regional conferences now. We are going to walk into those halls. We are going to be wearing discipline. Everything we do, we don't do it for ourselves. We do it for the poor of the poorest. Everything we do it for students at the university and at TVET. Everything we do it for all SASSA beneficiaries. When those mothers who are hoping that today they are going to get an RDP house, they've been waiting for the RDP house for too long. Today they see the EFF and they say, finally, something is going to happen. You destroy that organization which must give that mother an RDP house. Comrades, the ANC is going to die a natural death. Lankebe EFF is gona ANC be tlo no khwa yalo re na le matlhatsi re exista ka nako e ANC khwang e nyaka gore ANC khwa re na re emelele e be re na re tšea mmušo re leaders tšhaba sa Africa. So fighters, let's go and talk to all the fighters. Let's protect our organization. Today, they say all manner of things, but they forget that they failed to kill this organization. They wanted to kill this organization. We defended this organization. We did everything in our power that this organization remains united. This organization grows bigger. This organization continues to represent the hopeless masses of our people. Let them talk. Some of them have joined regional parties. Some of them are useless. Mara eregele buchentongwe. Auna mutoka tamamo EFF achola pelachi abutsi. Leba lebelele. Abas no tamamo EFF. Una lentongwa e ukarai. Ukarba betile kele chomon. So alu raunya ku hafa namo EFF. Comrades, all of you are responsible for the success of this organization. This rally here today is successful because of you, not because of us on top of the track. If we can be here and you are not here, the report is the rally is not successful. Because you are the people who are building this organization. You are the basic unit of our organization. Without you, we are nothing. You are the EFF. Defend the EFF with everything. Be jealous when they want to destroy the EFF and say, not in our name. Only the EFF will stop VAT in South Africa. When someone speaks on radio and say, no, there is no VAT that will happen, you must call back and say, umaka, uramaka. Hemen ramaka. Ke EFF fela ye tolwelang gore naga ya rena e boelle mo lena le ke pine. The stolen land belongs to us, and those who are in possession of stolen goods, they are thieves, and they must be referred as such. Every time you see them, you must say thieves, because they are in possession of stolen goods. Let's go and reclaim our land. Let's go and build our structures. Let's go and fight for our workers. Let's go and ensure that EFF exists in every corner. Every street there must be EFF. Every house there must be EFF. Every hostel there must be EFF. Every school there must be EFF. We must build this EFF brick by brick, because we have laid a strong foundation. Amanda! Amanda! Viva EFF! Viva! Ayule EFF! Ayule! Tata EFF! Tata! Tata EFF! Tata! Uile Mbushwa Mashod! Uile! Uile Mbushwa Mashod! Uile! Amanda! Auno maguvi siaya siaya no maguvi siaya siaya no mabese tubola besi shaya besi bopa no ma bese tubola besi shaya besi bopa kubi kubi yo siaya siyaya kubi kubi yo siyaya siyaya. Who left guitar? Killer man. Who left guitar? Yamasa. Hirwata wata. Samarumo. Samarumo rumo. Asicha. Where were you when I'm dream? Where were you when I'm dead? So fast sketchy. Emoye. So fast sketchy. Etati. Shoot to kill. Yamasa. Shoot to kill. Killer man. Brr pa. Pa. Brr pa. Pa. Kill the poor. The farmer. Kill the poor. The farmer.
And I believe that you really enjoyed this video and you heard everything Julius Malema said in this video. What is your own opinion or what is your own take? You can drop it in the comment section. Let us know what you think. And I really appreciate your time, your support on this very channel. Make sure that you turn on the bell so that when next I publish a new video, you will get notification. Thank you for watching my videos and bye.